The CRAFTSMAN CMXEVBE17656 20-gallon, 6.5 peak HP wet dry vac is a powerhouse designed for serious shop work and heavy-duty cleaning. Right out of the box, you can feel the build quality. It's rugged, durable, and built to withstand tough conditions in garages, workshops, and construction sites. The 20-gallon tank is large enough to handle substantial amounts of debris or liquid without constant emptying, which is a major time saver when tackling big projects. This wet-dry vac excels at versatility. It handles both wet and dry messes effortlessly, from sawdust and wood shavings to spilled liquids. The 6.5 peak horsepower motor delivers impressive suction power, making it capable of picking up heavy debris that smaller vacuums would struggle with. It also comes with a range of attachments that extend its reach and functionality, including crevice tools, extension wands, and brush attachments, which makes cleaning tight spaces and corners much easier. Mobility is another highlight. The included cart with large wheels makes moving the vacuum around a workspace smooth and easy, even when the tank is full. The hose is long enough to reach across large areas without constantly repositioning the vacuum, which adds convenience during extended cleaning sessions. Emptying the tank is straightforward, and the secure lid ensures no spills during transport. Noise levels are moderate for a shop vac of this size, which is expected given the power it delivers, but the performance more than compensates. The vacuum is built to last, with heavy-duty components that can withstand repeated use over time. Whether you're a professional contractor or a homeowner with demanding cleaning tasks, this vac handles everything from fine dust to large debris with minimal effort. Overall, the CRAFTSMAN CMXEVBE17656 is one of the best options for anyone needing a reliable, powerful, and durable wet-dry vacuum. It combines large capacity, strong suction, and practical features like mobility and attachment versatility into a single, efficient machine. For messy jobs, big or small, this vacuum is designed to make cleanup faster, easier, and more effective, earning its place as a top choice for heavy-duty cleaning tasks.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.